chicken. Come back, chicken. Come back, chicken.
That wasn't a chicken.
Really?
It was a seagull.
It says hello. Hmm. That's okay. Let's build another one. A big castle. Hello, Mr. Crab. He's running away.
Maybe he's going home.
We need one big umbrella for 4 peoples.
Dad, we say 4 people, not 4 peoples.
Oh! 4 people. No problem. Right this way.
Thank you so much.
This is my beach house.
Who wants to play Frisbee?
Me! Oops.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Kids are funny.
Thank you for understanding.
Good job, Kaka. You remembered to say thank you.
Kaka, would you like to order by yourself?
Rainbow, please. He means rainbow sprinkles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Of course. Rainbow sprinkles coming right up.
Thank you. The beach is beautiful.
Yes, today was a wonderful day.
What was your favorite part today?
The flying chicken. Kaka, it's still a seagull. Okay, flying seagull.
Beach, 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 beach.
Seagull.
Seagull. Crab. Beach. Beach, beach, beach. Crab.
Crab.
Great job today, everyone. Let's review what we learned. Mr. Crab!
How do we order ice cream?
1 chocolate ice cream, please.
Perfect. And what do we always say after receiving something?